Okay, see here, I'm taking one iron rod. How can we rotate this one, sir? So just we are tying some turbines. Okay, just some turbines are kept for this iron rod in the middle, and the other side are tied with some other wires. So here one other wire, and this is some other wire. So here turbines are there. When you are continuously rotating this one, what will happen? The positive ions and negative ions are separated. Then what will happen? We'll get the electricity. Okay, positive and negative. So here turbines rotating is important. So this water is utilized for rotating of these turbines. So here in the missions, near to this project, so they are going to set up these turbines. Whenever the water is falling on this one, so whenever the water is falling on these turbines, the turbines will come this side, and again here one more turbine will be there. Again that will be rotated. So we can see that rotating of this continuously without doing any, without using any fuel or like that. We are going to rotate the turbines. When turbines are rotated, we can see that the separating of these positive ions and negative ions. So in this way, finally this we can get here positive and here negative. Then this electricity is stored in some electricity stations, and that will be supplied to villages, industries, agricultural lands, like that. So whenever the water is more here, more speed, the turbines will be rotated with more speed, and we can get more electricity. And if there is no water here means, so we can't see the rotating of turbines. Okay, so there will be no electricity here. So by utilizing the flowing of water, we are going to rotate the turbines and we can get the electricity. Okay, so this is about the hydrological electricity. So have got the point, this one? Yes, boys? Have you understood what I said?
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, still any doubt from this?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.